Hello and welcome to McRene Digital Skills Academy. If you have ever felt that Microsoft Excel looks complicated, confusing, or even a little scary, don't worry. This beginner's series is designed to guide you step by step, slowly and clearly, so that by the end of this course, you will feel confident using Excel for school, work, or business. Whether you are a complete beginner, a student preparing for ICDL, an office worker improving productivity, or a job seeker building digital skills, this course is for you. Microsoft Excel is one of the most important digital skills in today's world. It is used to organize information, perform calculations, create, report, and analyze data, track budgets, and workplace tasks. In many offices, Excel is a required skill. And the good news is you do not need to be a mathematician to use Excel confidently. You just need the right guidance. What will you learn by the end of this series? In this beginner-friendly series, we will cover understanding the Excel interface. That is, learning about the rows, columns, and cells, entering and editing data correctly, formatting worksheets neatly and professionally. We will also learn the basic formulas like sum and average, sorting and filtering data, creating simple charts, preparing worksheets for printing and sharing. Each lesson builds on the previous one, so I encourage you to follow the lessons in order. So how will you follow this course? To get the best results, watch each lesson carefully. Practice on your own computer. Pause and repeat where necessary. Learning Excel is practical, so practice is very important. Do not rush. Take your time. By the end of this series, you will notice a big difference in your confidence. Final encouragements. Excel is not difficult. It only seems difficult when it's not explained properly. In this series, we will take it step by step, calmly and practically. So let's begin this journey together. I'll see you in lesson 1.